Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. We are getting our first kind of really cool night tonight, 8 degrees Celsius. So I'm bringing all the tropical trees into the glass greenhouse here, and I'll have to turn the heat on tonight, and hopefully they'll get through the night just fine. I'm going to leave a few of the sort of temperate trees out on the benches overnight. They should be all right also. But most of the tropicals will be here in the glass greenhouse. Here's a look in the greenhouse. It's getting quite full. It's nice having this greenhouse because I can just move the trees from the bench into the greenhouse here. And then in the morning I can just move them back out when it starts to warm up again. We only have a couple of cool nights, 2 nights of 8 degrees Celsius, and then later in the week it warms up to, really nice temperatures. It's quite rare to have to do this in August. Usually I start doing this kind of shuffle towards the end of September, but every year is a little different. So I've just got to get them through these couple of cool nights, and then things will be back to normal. We had a nice kind of pleasant day today, but it's really cooling down now as it gets towards the evening. So I've just got a few more trees to bring inside the greenhouse, and that'll be it for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow. You're going in the greenhouse? I don't think you're allowed in the greenhouse. Kitty, come here. Yeah, you're not allowed in the greenhouse. Out you go. So we've only got 2 kittens left. They're getting bigger. They're still very cute. Hey, you're still very cute. Yes, you like to be petted. Oh, you're a cutie. Yes, you are. You're a cute one. You're out to play tonight, are you? Yeah? Aw, what a cutie you are. Eh? Yes, you stay warm tonight. Eh? You stay warm tonight. Oh, they're purring. You're such a cute kitten. Yeah, you're a cute kitten. Hi. Aw, what a sweet cat you are. Yeah, so 2 kittens left. It is the next day now. It's the morning. I've cleaned out the greenhouse. Most of the trees are back outside. I've left a few in here because they have to come back in tonight. We also have a cool night coming. So they kept nice and warm throughout the night. I had the heat on, so they're all doing well. So last night I was waiting for my exhaust system to come in for the Nissan Cube, my stainless steel exhaust system, and it was getting very late at night. It was close to 8 o'clock and I had kind of given up. I thought, oh, another day where it's not in. And then it came. So I'll show you what this stainless steel exhaust system looks like. So good things come in square packages. So here is the exhaust system. I'll open it up and we'll have a look. Okay, here is what I have got. So this is the rear resonator. So this is the part that'll stick out the back here. You can see it says J2 Engineering. It's a stainless steel flow-through exhaust, and these are the hangers that hangs it to the body of the vehicle. So that's one part of it. So that comes over here, and then there's the straight part here. This comes from the front of the vehicle, just behind the catalytic converters, comes straight back. So this in between here is the over the rear suspension pipe, which is this one. So that fits in between these 2 pieces. And then I also got a Vibrant Performance resonator, and this was, there's not much information on fitting
stainless steel exhaust systems to cubes online, but there is one article that he fitted this resonator in this straight pipe section right about there. So on the stock cube there's a muffler here, and with the straight pipe here, he said he had an automatic one. He said it buzzed badly on the highway. It was very annoying. So he put this resonator in here, and that made it perfect. He said it was just a nice noise level, not too loud, not too quiet. There's no buzzing, and everything was good. So I'm going to copy that. So I'm going to get this resonator welded in the straight pipe section here, and that, the resonator with this exhaust system, it should be hopefully sporty sounding, but not obnoxiously loud. It should be quite quiet. He said it's very quiet unless you put your foot down, then you can hear it. So that's perfect. So my wife will never hear the sporty sound, and I'll probably hear it all the time. So also in the box are all the gaskets and hardware required to bolt it up. So I had an appointment yesterday to get this installed, but the parts didn't come in until last night, so I had to cancel the appointment. And they can't do me, they can't install it until like September 4th. So I started looking around at other places, and I found a place that'll do it next week. So I think it's a better shop too. It's just a two-man operation, and they basically work on race car headers and stuff. So they're really used to welding stainless and forming it. I think it's better. The other shop, I got the impression it was like a Midas or a, you know, one of these get them in quickly and get them out kind of garages. So I think I'm going to go with the other place. So next week, hopefully, all this will be installed on the Nissan Cube. It'll be very exciting. I'll show you the stock exhaust system on this car. It wheezes. It's so small in diameter that when you accelerate, you can hear the air hissing out the tailpipe. I'll show you the tailpipe that's on the car now. It's the smallest tailpipe I've ever seen in my life. So here it is. You can see the size of it. It's like 2 fingers in diameter. So there's, you know, the original muffler. Well, I don't know if it's the original one. It's been welded up a bit. And I can't show you too much more because it's so low, this car, that you can't really get underneath it too easily. But yeah, someday it'll have a nice stainless steel system. And I don't know if I'll have to put a cutout in the rear here to clear that exhaust. I've seen some people do that. They just cut out a semicircle out of the plastic here. So I may have to do that. I don't know. It'll all depend how it fits up. I don't want the tailpipe hanging down so low that it catches on anything either. So the higher the better. I'm really liking driving the Nissan Cube. It's really fun to drive. With the 6-speed manual, the cold air intake, soon the exhaust system lowered, the big wheels and tires. It's a really fun car to drive. It's not that fast, but it's got all the right noises, the right feel to it. It's actually a very exciting car to drive. So yeah, that's the update for the Nissan Cube, and more to come. Here's Julian's Fiat. He's working on the brakes. So this was all rusty before on the discs. So he's cleaned it all off. He's going to paint that part red, the hub, the edge of the disc, and touch up the caliper. So it should look pretty good. And then he's going to oil all the suspension components in here, make sure they're not rusting away or anything. So that's the before. Let's see what it looks like after. Here's an update to the brake calipers and the rotors. They're looking really good. You can see he painted the vented part, hubs. Looking very special. Here's a look at Julian's brakes. All painted up. There they are. They look very nice. Here's a look at the back one. So this was all just like rusty before, and now it's painted red. It looks much more finished. We even painted the wheel nuts red. Cleaned the brakes up. Yeah, it's looking quite good. My wife has been growing all this milkweed in the front garden for the Monarch Butterflies, and we've never seen caterpillars until today. We found one caterpillar over here. There it is, Monarch Butterfly caterpillar. So that's exciting to see. It is getting to the end of another day. So we had a nice warm sunny day today. So this morning I made sure everything was watered and fertilized really, really well. So I filled the greenhouse back up for tonight. It's another cold night, going down to 8 degrees Celsius, which is getting pretty cool. But that's the last cool night, and then it starts to warm up. A little kitten has come out to play. He heard my voice. Hello? He or she, I can't tell. Aren't you cute? Aren't you cute, hey? Aw, you're so cute. Hello. That's the camera. Yeah, oh, you're purring. Yeah. I hope you guys are staying warm at night and cuddling up together. All right, bye-bye, kitty.
I was helping Julian work on his car today. We got the brakes all painted up and we sprayed rust proofing on the underside of the car, lubricating all the nuts and bolts and keeping it in good shape. So I didn't get to do a lot of bonsai work, but I did give them a really good watering this morning. It took about 2 hours. I got my exhaust system scheduled to get installed, so that's kind of exciting. And I'm ready for the last of the cool nights tonight. So that's it for today. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.